would share them with you guys. If you guys are new here, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Subscribe. Please help a sister out, okay? Because this channel is small and we need to grow, we need to flourish. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. All right, so we're going to get into my mini. We're gonna get into my mini luxury haul. And it's not anything too crazy. That's why I'm calling it a mini luxury haul. Just mini. Just some cute little things I got for my birthday. This top I did also get for my birthday, but this isn't luxury. I got this at Nordstrom's and it was about 60 bucks for this top, and it's just super cute. It has cherries all over it, and I'm just wearing it with some denim shorts. Very cute. So let's go ahead and start with the first item. The first item, we have this. And I will say that it is not what you think. It is not what you think. It is not a Chanel bag. I wish it was, but it is not a Chanel bag. So we're gonna open it up. Boom, we have this here. It's a fragrance. So it is the Coco Chanel Mademoiselles fragrance. And this is a 3.4 fluid ounces, and it also comes with a travel size. And I've just been trying to get my fragrance collection up, so I figured this would be a great little treat to myself for my birthday. We have the perfume and the travel size. So let me open it up and show you guys. This is so hard. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I have the perfume right here, and it smells so amazing. I really love this scent. It's very fresh and very ladylike. It makes me feel very classy when I wear this. And it also comes with this travel size perfume, and boom, you just twist this up. I wish it would focus, but my camera is just a little crazy. So as you can see here, it twists up, twists down, and you can just throw this in your purse. And it has the Coco Chanel symbol right there. Okay. Moving on to number 2, which is also a fragrance. My hair is looking a little crazy. Okay, so number 2 is also a fragrance. I got this YSL Libre Fragrance, and this is also a 3.4 fluid ounce. And this, oh my goodness, this smells so good. And I'm excited to have this in my collection. This is gonna be like my signature scent. I feel like it's a very oriental smell, has some florals, but it also has some musk to it. So this is a great transitional fragrance. So this will be perfect for summer and also going into the fall. This is like the bomb.com. Smells good. And you know what, today I'm going to go ahead and layer it up. Why not? Let's see what we can make. But yes, so I have this Libre fragrance, and it smells amazing. Okay, so for the next item that I got is okay, and this is probably also, it's not what you think. It's not a handbag or anything like that. So I did pick up some new sunglasses, and I got these at Neiman Marcus. Oh, So this is what they look like. They have the wire frame at the bottom and then the plastic at the top, which I really love. It makes the sunglasses really sturdy. So I'm really loving these. On the side here, it has the, okay, so here on the side you have the Celine Paris on there, you know, real bougie or whatever. And this is what the sunglasses look like. And I thought these were super duper adorable. It's nothing like anything that I have in my little sunglass collection. And I like that it's a mix between casual and you can also dress these up. So I really love it, and I plan to, you know, rock them for everyday wear. Cute. You guys comment down below if you like these sunglasses. Tell me if you think that this frame is flattering on me or not. But yes, I love these. Super duper bomb. Alright guys, so the next item that I have is more sunglasses, and these are Tom Ford. I don't really know. Marcolin collection. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. It came inside of this little brown box, and it also has a brown sunglasses case. Looks like that. Comes with the eyeglass cleaner, and I also got these from Neiman Marcus. Let's see, I'm trying to see if I have the right name. Well, anyway guys, let me try them on for you. Love these. And they are 100% polarized, so they will protect your eyes from all the UV rays. But I thought these were super duper cute, and when I found these I was like, yes, I need those. But see, originally what I had planned was to get Celine glasses like this, because I feel like this shape is like a signature for the Celine sunglasses, but I didn't find any that I like. At least they didn't have any that were like black or the tortoiseshell. So I really wasn't into, like, I don't want any more color frames because I feel like they don't have a lot of usability unless you wear a lot of color. So I just was like, you know what, these are cool. They do have that Celine vibe to them, but they Tom Ford, so either way, you know, you looking good. So let me, okay guys, so these are the sunglasses. Let me know down below if you like these ones or if you like the Celine ones better. But I'm obsessed, and I just really love the plastic frames. They're more sturdier to me. So this is what they look like up close. It doesn't have like any logo or anything on it. It just has this little signature. It's like a T on the end, and it goes all the way back, and I guess that's just Tom Ford's signature. And then it just has Tom Ford. I think it's on this lens. Well, it says Tom Ford on the lens. You know, a lot of designer companies will do that on their sunglasses. So yeah, that's the second pair of sunglasses that I got. Yes, so this is the second pair of sunglasses that I got, and I am totally obsessed with them. I think they're just cute. Again, casual, you can dress it up. When you're gonna be a little more fancier, you know, they still will pull off a look. So yes, love them. And then moving on. Okay guys, so now we're moving on to the last item that I got for my mini luxury haul. And like I said, this was just very small. I got a Saint Laurent. I wanted to call it a key holder, but it's not a key holder. It's a Saint Laurent card holder in the color sea salt, and I got this one from Nordstrom's. And I decided to go ahead and pick up a card holder because I didn't own one. And I just want to get my purses all organized. I don't want mess just everywhere. So it comes inside of that box, and then it has this dust bag. Inside it comes with like a authentication card and probably some information in here. And this is just like the tag. I'm sure you guys can't see that, but this retails for $2.75. And this is what the card holder looks like. And I already have my things in here, so don't mind that. But it's like a beige colored leather, and it has like that pebble texture to it, so it's a little more durable. Has the gold hardware here. On the back you can also see it has that chevron print or canvas, whatever you want to call this. It has 4 pockets on it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the inside is another pocket, so I guess you can technically call that the 5th pocket. And it holds about 6 cards, and that's pretty much all that I need to carry. But yes, that is it. That is all that I got for my birthday that is luxury. Everything else was kind of just like cute little things that I picked up from different places. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and like my video. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you like these things. You know, things small, but some cute little knickknacks that I got for my birthday, because I did just turn 27. So yes, that's it. And you guys be sure to follow me on Instagram. It is at sincerelyblake_. You guys need to follow me on there. My Instagram account is only a few months old. I don't really have any followers. Like I said, I just made my Instagram a few months ago. It's very small, but you guys go check it out if you want to see like some cute pictures or whatever. Let me show you guys. You know, I went out to lunch by myself for my B-Day. My B-Day dress, y'all. Trying to get this to focus. But anyways, you guys go check me out on Instagram. It is at sincerelyblake_. It won't pick up. But anyways, that's all, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching another video. I appreciate all of you guys' support. It means the world to me that you guys are watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Until next time.